If the government secretly listens to your private conversation without a warrant, have they searched you under the Fourth Amendment? One Supreme Court case completely changed the answer. This is Katz versus United States. Charles Katz regularly used a public telephone booth to place gambling wagers across state lines. Without obtaining a warrant, FBI agents attached an electronic listening device to the outside of the phone booth. The recordings were used to convict Katz of violating federal gambling laws. Katz argued that the recordings violated his Fourth Amendment rights. Does the Fourth Amendment protect private conversations inside a public telephone booth? The Fourth Amendment protects people, not simply places. A search occurs when the government violates a person's reasonable expectation of privacy. The Supreme Court explained that Katz entered the phone booth intending to have a private conversation. Although the booth was located in a public place, Katz reasonably expected that his conversation would remain private. Because the FBI recorded those conversations without first obtaining a warrant, the government's actions violated the Fourth Amendment. Justice Harlan's concurring opinion introduced the famous two-part reasonable expectation of privacy test. 1. Did the person actually expect privacy? 2. Is that expectation one society recognizes as reasonable? This test remains one of the most important constitutional standards in criminal procedure. The Supreme Court ruled in favor of Katz. The warrantless electronic surveillance violated the Fourth Amendment. The evidence should not have been obtained without a warrant. Katz versus United States transformed Fourth Amendment law. Today, the case influences decisions involving cell phones, wiretaps, GPS tracking, electronic surveillance, internet privacy, and digital communications. Whenever courts analyze privacy rights, they often begin with Katz. Remember this rule: the Fourth Amendment protects people, not places. If you see a criminal procedure exam question involving surveillance or privacy, immediately think of Katz and the reasonable expectation of privacy test. Legal Tech AI. Legal education powered by AI. Follow for more landmark cases every law student should know.